Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can set your custom URL on your YouTube channel. So let's go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so in YouTube Studio you have to go straight to your customization. Right on straight to customization. Sorry, my network is so slow, my Wi-Fi is not good. Alright, so you can see branding and info. You have to click the basic information, then scroll down. Here you see set a custom URL for your channel. Okay, I have to find a unique name which has not been used. I guess this one has already been used. Okay. Right, let me just try and see. And they are suggesting me to add a letter. Which I really wanted to use my full name. I think someone else already claimed it. So this is the option I have here. Right, I've got this. And I have to save it. You can see. So confirm it and then wait for the update to be done. Now I have a custom URL. Anyway, I still have options to delete it, next time if I wish to change it, blah blah, but I've already got mine and I am happy for myself. I wish you good luck. I wish you to have the same custom URL for your own channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much.